In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newspaper icon in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just beginning your design journey, this tutorial is perfect for crafting an eye-catching and professional-looking newspaper icon using Figma's powerful design tools. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're in your Figma canvas. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't already opened your project, do so now. Being familiar with your workspace is essential because it helps you navigate through your tools and options more efficiently. Next, head over to the main menu located at the top left corner of your Figma interface. This menu is your gateway to accessing various functions and settings in Figma, so it's always good to know your way around it. Once you're there, click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options you can choose from. From the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Place Image. Clicking on this will allow you to import images from your library into your Figma project. If you've already prepared your newspaper icon image or have it stored in your library, now is the time to select it. Simply browse through your files, find the newspaper icon you want to work with, and select it. Once you've placed your newspaper icon into the canvas, you can start customizing it to fit your design needs. Figma offers a wide range of tools to help you modify and enhance your icon. You can adjust its size, change colors, and even add additional elements if needed. Remember, the goal is to make your icon look distinct and visually appealing while retaining the essence of a newspaper. While working on your icon, don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and settings. Figma is very versatile, and a bit of exploration can lead to some amazing design outcomes. You can also use layers to organize different elements of your icon, making it easier to manage and edit. Lastly, once you're satisfied with your design, make sure to save your work. Double-check everything to ensure your icon looks just the way you envisioned it. You can then export the icon for use in various formats depending on your requirements, whether it be for digital use or print. And there you have it. You've successfully created a newspaper icon in Figma. With practice, you'll become more proficient at using Figma's tools to bring your creative ideas to life. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to explore more of what Figma has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy designing!